Let me show you a fast and easy way to add animated caption to any YouTube videos. This works for YouTube Shorts, regular YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram videos, and it's completely free. We're going to use a free editing app called CapCut. You could get it at capcut.com. It's going to be totally free. You could get it on your phone. I'm going to show you here on a computer how to do it. And they also have an online editor. So in any platform, it's going to be available. And this is your project here. And then you go ahead and import your video. So if you have it from your phone, just download it to your computer. You could do this with the CapCut app too. And I have this one here that I just recorded on my phone. So I'm going to just bring it down here to what's called the timeline down here. So you could actually edit it here to get it exactly like the way you want down here, if you do need any editing. But to add the automated captions, all you have to do is go up here to text. There's a text option right here. And then there's this option right here that says auto caption. If you click it, it's going to give you this box and it's just going to detect the language that the video is in. I'm going to press generate and it creates this caption right here. So you'll see this box right over here. So what I want to do is actually animate it and give it some styling. Go to the very first one and we're going to style this one and it'll just copy the style to the rest, or any of them you could go ahead and style. So let me go ahead and choose. Here's one. So select it and bring it to wherever you want in your video. So let's say right over here. And then if you look on the right side here, as long as you're under text, you're going to get all these different types of styles for captions. So if I just select any of them, it's going to change how that caption looks. And then I could kind of see, you could see this one is animated and it's highlighting specific words here in different colors. And if you go over here to the captions tab, these are all fully editable. So if you wanted to make any edits to them, if you made a mistake for some reason, you could go ahead and click this and type in something else. So there's some free ones, but you could see most of them are going to require the pro subscription here to get something really good. But I actually like this one. Let me take a look. Yeah, that looks really nice. It's just highlighting one word at a time. And as you can see, it automatically, when you choose the placement, it adds it to the rest of your video. So your entire video now has that caption. And when you're done, just go to File over here, go to Export. And all the default settings should be fine except this one where it says Format. I usually change this to MP4 if it's not set to MP4. Choose where you want to save it. Give it a title over here. And just go ahead and press export, and you could go ahead and upload it from your computer, or you could drop it to your phone and upload it from there. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you next time.